Hi, so today I am at Minimax.io, the text-to-speech tool of it. It has a lot of other tools that you can use. So the first thing, let's just go and sign up as example into accounts. I can use a Google account. Of course, I'm clicking on sign in, but I don't have an account yet. But since they have Google, it should just understand and create the account right away. So yeah, as you can see, I just created the account. It seems like I get 10,000 credits on the free plan. You can buy credits. So 10k credits costs $5. And you can see all the prices here. Let me put the dark mode. Let's click on manage accounts because I do want to see the pricing. Okay, so they're asking me to log in again. Let me just go and log in. Since I created the account with Google, I'm just going to use Google. I'll have to add informations. I don't care about that. So this takes me to the tutorial of using it. I don't care about that. I just want to see the pricing. Yeah, here it is. As you can see, subscribe at the bottom left. So here are what they have. So the free plan that I'm using, it gets you basically 10k credits. It's a monthly gift, of course, which means it's 12 minutes of audio, and you'll get only 3 voices slots: instant clone and voice design, standard generation speed, and personal use only. So the prices that you can see here, first of all, on the other plans are yearly. If you pay monthly, it's going to be a little bit different, more expensive a bit. So let's start by the starter plan. As you can see, you'll get 10k credits. And if you want to buy more credits, it will be 0.4 per 10 credits or per 10k credits, or they just say here the price, I'm not sure, which will mean 2 hours of HD model voice. And you'll get 10 voices slots, unlimited voice modifier, unlimited emotion like selection, faster generation speed, 40 language plus, and accents, and commercial license as well if you want to use it. For the creator, you'll get basically more credits, so 330k, which means this amount as example per 10k, and you will get 30 voice slots. Of course, this will mean 400 minutes of HD model. You'll get 30 voice slots, and here should be the same as this. For the standard, you'll get 750k credits. For this amount, you'll get like 90 minutes of HD model, 50 voice slots, and the others should be the same. For the Pro, you'll get 3 million credits, which means 3,600 minutes of HD model, 250 voice slots, and the same other features as everyone. And here you can top up credits. Basically, minimum recharge is $5 and everything is free, plus easily top up credits as needed. And please note that if you're topping up credits, unlimited access to subscription features include voice clone, slots, specified emotions, and sound effects won't be included. So basically, if you're on free plan and you get credits, you'll not be able to get other things. So you can even get credits, it seems, if you have other plans. So those are the things that they have in here. So let me just go back, and here we are. So here, it seems like they have 3 models. They have this 2.6 HD, enhanced formats handling more natural. They have the turbo one, which is 40% cheaper, so it will cost you less credits. They have this 2.5 HD, ultimate similarity example, ultra high quality, and 2.5 turbo, which is 50 or 40% cheaper probably than it's the same version. So from the right here, you can change the speed, pitch, volume, but you'll not be able to change emotion. Okay, it seems like you can change the emotion, but you have only 6. You can like change it 6 times since you're on the free plan. You have even the voice modifier, but you can change it 6 times, example, 6 generations, and it seems you'll run out of it. So for the voices, you have here multiple voices, as you can see, big libraries. I think you can use other languages as well. So, for example, let's just say I want Korean. So yeah, I can even,
안녕하세요. 음성 서비스를
as you can see, preview the voice before using it. I'll be able to, so I can write something in Spanish. So can I hear this?
Hello. I'm
Hola, Es un placer ayudarte con nuestros
Let's just say
servicios
I
de
want to
voz.
use this one before even going with the English. So I'm just going to type some quick stuff. So hola, example. So I do want to try other languages before like trying English. So it's 15 characters. I would assume it will take the same amount of characters as credits. I do have here long text. If I have more than 5,000 characters, I can check this option. It will be increased to 200k. So here you can change the language instead of auto detect. I would assume it's better to do it, but if you don't, you can keep it on auto. Here you can seems upload something like a PDF or stuff. We'll check that later. We'll check if it's like use OCR and stuff. So let me just click on generate. So very quick 3
Hola,
words.
¿cómo estás?
As you can see, so let's check on the credits. So as you can see, it's used only 15 credits. So the amount of characters is the amount of credits that you're going to use. So let me just go back here to English. So I don't know, just type in a random name. Maybe I'll find one. Okay, so let me just go and look for English.
Hello, I'm delighted to assist.
Yeah, I'm going to use this one. Why not? So let's just use this one as an example. And here, let's just try to upload a PDF. So I do have 2 PDFs actually. The first PDF here is the text-based PDF, and it should read it without any problems. If I click on create, it should read it normally. I do want to try the other PDF as well. So as you can see, it's read it correctly. So I'll try the other PDF, which is an OCR test. It's the same PDF as this one, but instead of text-based, it's an image-based. It's scanned to check if they support OCR or not. Let's just do that. It's uploaded. Let's just click on create. And let's see if it will paste any text in here. So it seems like it did. And yeah, my script's finished with this and starts with this. So it seems like it's working. They have OCR, they support OCR, and it just starts by generating the speed right away or speech
The
right away.
ideal text-to-speech tool in
So it generates and you
2026
can click
should
on
offer a
stop as an
balanced and
example if
fair
you don't want to
approach to
waste any
character
more
limits.
stuff.
Instead
so
of advertising massive
generating.
amounts of
Let me just pause this right here. It's not taking a lot of time even, and it seemed to be done soon because this speech should take like 3 minutes or so, or close to that. So yeah, it seems like it's finished. I do have even a download button. Can I download it for free? Yeah, I can download it without even including any plan. It uses some of my credits. I can see even the history of what credits did I lose here and stuff. I can click on history if I want to delete or download any of my old text-to-speech that I did, and that's actually great. So if I do adjust the emotion, I'm just going to make the scripts lower a bit so I don't use much credits. So I do want to try, as example, happy emotion, and I don't know, maybe as example, stronger thing. Yeah, that's good. And click on generate. Let's see an example of this 6 out of 6 will
The
go down
ideal
to 5 out of
text-to-speech
6.
tool in 2026 should offer a balanced and fair approach to character limits.
So it's generated. Yeah, as you can see. So I don't know if you can see, but I had 6 out of 6 on the free trial, but now it's 5 out of 6. So if you edit any of those emotion settings, instead of the auto and instead of whatever it had here, it will cost you and you'll not be able to edit them anymore. You'll not be able to use them anymore. So if you find modified here, that means you have something. It should be natural. Let me just go and get it into this one. Okay, let me just go and add 0. So yeah, it costs you even this, so you can generate or edit those 6 times. Even if you have credits, I guess you will run out of it. And I guess that's it. That's about AI or these models. Of course, if you want to get normally, if you want to use less credits, you'll have to use this turbo. I'll try the same like PDF. So I'll try this one, this text-based. It doesn't matter because now we understand that they offer OCR. So as you can see, the previous one cost me 2,795. Let's check how much this one will cost me. So just do that one. And yeah, so just click on generates. So here
The
you can see
ideal
even
text-to-speech
greatest
tool
usage.
in
So
2026
as you can
should
see,
offer
it's
a
using
balanced and
much
fair
less.
approach to character limits.
In the
Instead
quality,
of
for
advertising
me,
massive
it
amounts of
seems the
characters
same.
that most users will
To
never
be honest, it
use,
seems the
it
same
should
to me.
focus on offering just the right amount, enough to cover
So let's
real
just wait
daily
for it until it generates. As you can see when you
needs
hear it,
without overcharging. Tool should know how.
it's actually good. So yeah, let's click here or not upgrade. Let's click
In short,
here,
the perfect
and
text-to-speech.
close it. So as you can see, it uses 40% less. So that's actually good. If you don't want to upgrade the plan, and you just want to use this 10K, you can use those turbo ones. They are very, very useful. So yeah, I guess that's about Minimax.io.